Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will look at the multiple choice questions for chapter 13 of the Java book. First question, which of the following class definitions defines a legal abstract class? So here's A. So here you have this class A. You must have the abstract keyword. So it has to be this. And there's another one here. So here you have public class, abstract. It has to be abstract class. So this is the abstract class. All right. Which of the following declares an abstract method in an abstract Java class? So here is a public abstract method. So this, it does not have a void or any return type. That's not right. So this is good. This one is good. And this one, no, this is not, has to be abstracted before void. So this is no abstract. So this one is abstract, but this has a body. So here's B. Which of the following statements regarding abstract methods is false? An abstract class can have instances created using the constructor of abstract class. No, that's not right. B, an abstract class can be extended. Yes. Okay, and a subclass of a non-abstract superclass can be a subclass. No, that cannot be of a non-abstract. All right, so which one is a false? All right, so I'm just looking at this as carefully. So which of the following statements regarding abstract is a false? So here, actually, this one is a false. Abstract class can have instances created using the constructor. So the rest here, this is true. An abstract class can be used as data type. A subclass can override a concrete method in a superclass to declare it abstract. Yes, actually, this is all true here. So that's first one is false. Again, here is asking for is false. Which of the following statements regarding abstract methods is false? And abstract classes have constructors. That's actually true. A class that contains abstract methods must be abstract. Okay, so that's also true. It is possible to define an abstract class that contains no abstract methods. Yes, I think it's possible. You can just put abstract. An abstract method cannot be contained in a non-abstract class. So that is true. That's true, actually. So a data field can be declared abstract. So that's false. That is false. Suppose A is an abstract class, B is a concrete subclass of A. Both A and B have a no art constructor. Which of the following is correct? So here, A is abstract, so this is false. And you can have this B, and you can have this B. So this is correct. Which is the output of running class test? So here we have a so-called 9 here, and this is so-called 9 is a subtype of geometric object. So here is this is the constructor, and this, and coming to this one here is using this one, and this comes to here and using this one here, and this using superfill here, E. All right, so now here you have super, and super is here. You're gonna, first thing you're gonna print is this. This one here is B. So you're gonna print this B. And then you, so here's super here, and then you print E. So BE. All right, so that pretty much is nailed down to this one here, to this E. So it's right here, finish this, and then you come back to the next one, BE, and then you have this D and C. So that's the one. The java.len.number and subclasses and its subclasses are introduced in chapter 11. Analyze the foreign code. Here is new integer. So you had integer, it's a subtype of number, so that's fine. And here now, because it's integer, you have an issue with the casting. So there is no such class named integer. No, that's not right. And you should use the class int. No, the compiler detects that number ref is not an instance of double. The compiler cannot detect this. This is going to be a runtime error. A runtime class cast exception occurs since number ref is not an instance of double. That's right. Analyze the foreign code. So here you have array of integers. So now for this, it's integer array. So this is the numbers here. You're going to do this new number, and this is going to have it's a runtime issue. So here you cannot use number as a data type since it's abstract. No, you still can use as an abstract class as data type. Since each element of number array is of the number type, you cannot assign an integer. No, it's yeah, I think you have to match this type. If this is number, and you have to say this is number. So I think that's right. Since each element of number array is of the number type, so you cannot assign integer object. No, I think it's the this creation. This has to be new number 2, not new integer 2. So I think what is going to happen here, since each element is number type, you cannot, here at runtime, new integer 2 is assigned to number array. This makes each element of number is integer. So you cannot assign a double. Since each element of number array is of the number type, you cannot assign an integer. No, this one here at runtime, new integer 2 is assigned to this. This is the new integer 2. Okay, this makes each element. All right, I think it should be D. It looks like the D is the most sensible answer here. All right, the next, analyze the foreign code. Which of the foreign statements is correct? So here is integer. This is the number here. X is actually integer. So you can have int value. Yes. So it dynamically determines this. So this is okay. Now X dot compares to this. I think this should be all fine here because these numbers are comparable. They have this compared to, so you can compare it. I think this program compiles and runs fine. So here, let's see, the program has a compile error because integer instance cannot be assigned to number. So this is fine. The program has a compile error because int value is an abstract, but this is overridden in integer class. So that's fine. The program has a compile error because X does not have this. No, I think this is D. So we're going to check it to see if this is right. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Oh, this is incorrect. Integer. You cannot have this double. And this is actually fine. So this number is all fine. Okay, so that's here. A. Analyze the following code. Which of the following statement is correct? So here is correct. This is correct. So, oh, I think now I see here is, yes, you have a compile error because this one has a compile error here. I see this is X here. The compiler looks at this X is number. I think number class does not implement the comparable interface. Okay, we're gonna see this here. You're doing this casting. So cast this to integer. Probably here is it's assigned to number. So here is the program has compile error, does not have compare to method. I think the integer class implements the comparable interface, but the number does not. So we can check the book and see that's the case. Okay, so we're going to check it back on this. So here, you see this cast it into integer. Now, the problem is this one is done before you do a casting. So that's the problem here is the program has a compile error because an integer instance cannot be assigned to number. So this is still fine. The program has a compile error because int value, no, this is okay. The program has a compile error because X cannot be cast into integer, no. The program has a compile error because the member access operator is executed before casting operator. So that's right. You executed before this. Okay. So before this, you did not cast it. You need to have the parenthesis on this. So here. All right, I think that's all. I'm gonna check it, all my 11 questions now. Oh, okay, I got everything right. Okay, very good. So everything's right. All right, we will continue to look at remaining questions in the next video.